There are two ways to set up React. Firstly, using CRA, create React app, and another using Vite. CRA is older but widely used, while Vite is faster for modern React apps. Let's talk about folder structure. Public. Static files like index.html images are stored in public folder. Source, where your React code lives. App.jsx is the main component. Index.jsx renders app to the DOM or modules where you store the installed dependencies. Let's make your first React component. App is a functional component. Returns JSX. It looks like HTML but works in JS. React renders it on the browser. JSX, JavaScript plus XML. Here are few rules for this. JSX must return a single parent element. Use curly braces to embed JS expressions. JSX is like HTML in JS, but smarter. Today we have learned setting up your first React project, folder structure, first functional component, and JSX.